What if the key to buying and selling real estate in 2025 starts with decluttering? Whether you're preparing your home for sale or thinking about buying a new home, it all begins with decluttering and organizing your current space. But here's the secret. Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of stuff. It's about understanding the root cause of clutter and observing consumption habits. January is the natural time to reset after the whirlwind of the holidays. What better way to start than by decluttering your home and setting the stage for a year of focus and clarity? Join me for this 30-day declutter challenge, completely free and flexible to fit your schedule. Each day we'll focus on one area with simple tasks that build momentum. Small, intentional changes create functional spaces that reflect our potential and support our goals. We'll also explore how the underlying societal belief in scarcity contributes to clutter, perpetuating the cycles of not enough and the constant desire for more. By realizing that what we already have is sufficient, we can free ourselves from the never-ending process of consumption and accumulation. If you miss a day, simply pick back up the next day. By the end of this 30 days, you'll be amazed at how much clearer your space and mind can become when distractions are removed and stuff we don't need are cleared out. We start Monday, January 20th. Follow along on Instagram or LinkedIn, or sign up to receive text or email. Details are in the caption.